Hey guys, Google is in full stride with the marketing of their upcoming Pixel 6 series, and we got to see the real phone a few days ago, but it was in a showcase box and we were only allowed to see the rear of the phone. But don't worry, I have got you covered with a hands-on and a 360-degree video of the Pixel 6 Pro. Before proceeding, just a reminder that if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can notified when we upload new content. So Google's Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro have leaked in the past few weeks, and the company has already given us plenty of peeks at the two devices. So far, there hasn't been a hands-on video of a prototype of one of these, and that's what I have got for you today. Let me tell you, this is not the first time the phone is in the hands-on. In the Google's initial ad for the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, we saw them in people's hands. But if you want more hands-on time with much lesser value in production, you go here. You can see the Pixel 6 Pro in action, similar to the ad and the renders we have seen before, but this time we get a glimpse of the phone's front side which we haven't seen before. We also get to see the curved edges that had been rumored. If you have noticed one thing, the Google logo looks weird here. Let me clear it for you. The strange logo on the back is a dead giveaway that this is an early prototype. That's how Google tries to hide the fact that this is a Google phone. The one-of-a-kind camera Iceland on the other hand is unmistakable, because the logo indicates that this is a most likely an early product test unit. There may be some changes between what we see here and the final product. In terms of specifications, the Pixel 6 Pro will have a 6.71 inches AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 120Hz. There is a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 48 megapixel telephoto lens with a 4x optical zoom and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera in the camera department. A 12 megapixel sensor is used for the selfie. As we all know, Google will have its own Tensor processor. To power that, there will be a 5000 mAh battery with the fast charging. The 8-second video is nothing more than a simple 360-degree tour of the gadget. But practically everything else about the Pixel 6 Pro and the Pixel 6 in general has already been leaked or confirmed by Google. The date of Duo's official debut is yet unknown, though there are a lot of indicators pointing to October 19. We will have to wait and see how things turn out. Let me know what do you think about this 360-degree video in the comment area. With that said, feel free to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.